Hello friends. As we age, one of the most important things that we need to pay attention to is the health of our brain. Aging is a difficult process as it is because of the number of changes that we see in our body. But there are a few things which can trouble us even more as we age. This is things like lack of coordination, memory loss, forgetting small things on a day-to-day basis. For example, where you left your keys, where you left your glasses. So these are all very common things. So paying attention to the brain health is very essential. So here are a few things that you can do as far as your diet is concerned that can help you boost your brain health. First thing is to reduce the amount of trans fats and saturated fats that you consume in your diet. Now, what are trans and saturated fats? Now, these are fats which are generally found in bakery products and in processed foods. Now, these trans fats are generally found in what are popularly called as palm oil and hydrogenated oil. Now, why do they use this oil in bakery products is that it makes the product softer, flakier, and it gives it a longer shelf life. So they generally tend to use palm oil and hydrogenated oils which are loaded with trans fats and saturated fats. So these should be avoided. So any store-bought cookies, donuts, processed foods, packaged foods, microwavable popcorn, all these are high in trans fats and saturated fats. Second thing is, they also say that meat products are very high in saturated fats. This may be true for certain meat products, but if you make wise choices and go in for products like lean fish and lean chicken, then it is perfectly fine to consume animal products. Second thing is for you to incorporate foods which are high in vitamin E. So vitamin E is very good for your brain health. So many people take vitamin E as a supplement, but you need to understand that the body produces 8 different types of vitamin E. Now, out of this, the supplement that you take can provide you only with one particular form of vitamin E. So when you get one particular form of vitamin E, the production of the other forms of vitamin E in the body is suppressed. So it is better to get your vitamin E from natural sources. Now, what are good sources of vitamin E? Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds like pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, sunflower seeds. All these are very good and very high in vitamin E. Third thing is to include or incorporate color into your diet. By color, what am I saying is that the number of colorful fruits and vegetables that you incorporate into your diet should be more as you age. So foods like grapes, blueberries, carrots, tomatoes, foods that contain different variety of flavonoids and antioxidants. For example, grapes and blueberries have what are called as anthocyanins, which are excellent to maintain your brain health. Carrots contain very high levels of beta carotene, and tomatoes contain very high levels of lycopene. So all these antioxidants are very good to boost your brain health. Now, the last thing that you need to do is to exercise regularly. So we have always stressed the importance of exercise in the aging population, but here are a few things that you need to remember. As you age, every decade, you lose 3 to 8% of your muscle mass. So what happens when you lose muscle mass? You are more prone to injuries and problems with your joints, tendons and ligaments. So along with this, there are certain areas in your brain which also shrink. So because of the shrinkage, for example, in the areas called as the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex, you tend to lose memory and learning coordination and skills. So in order to avoid loss of muscle and shrinkage of the brain, keeping yourself active with some amount of moderate intensity aerobic activity and a little bit of strength training is very essential as you age. So these are a few tips that you can follow to maintain your brain health as you age. Thank you, friends.